Today, our students have the opportunity to explore a fascinating world of hydroponics through a hand-on workshop led by an expert of Hydro Group. Students learn the basics of hydroponic farming, a modern method of growing plants using water and nutrient solution instead of soil. Through interactive activity, students gain practical experience in setting up and caring for hydroponic plants. They discover how science, technology, and agriculture work together to create sustainable food production. The workshop encourage curiosity, teamwork, and problem-solving skills as students explore innovative ways to grow healthy crops. By the end of the workshop, students leave with a new knowledge, practical skill, and a deeper appreciation for sustainable agriculture. Thank you, Hydro Group, for inspiring our students and helping them discover the future of farming. Bye!